beautiful, guys.
Ako'y hindi sanay sumikat, mangarap ng yada. Ako'y Pinoy na mayroong sariling wika. Ang bayan kong Pilipinas, lupain ng ginto't bulaklak, pag-ibig na sa kanyang panah, nag-alam ng ganda't diyan, at sa kanyang iuwi at ganda, dayuhan ay laabina. Bayan ko, binihag ka, nasadlak sa dusa.
Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, masasalamat ang sigaw.
We rise and we fight through the darkest moments. We shine our light. Every scar and stumble, a story to be told. In the journey of our lives, we're brave and bold. Keep on moving forward through the highs and lows, through the heights of courage. Let your spirit grow. No matter what the odds, we'll stand tall and strong. In the race of life, we'll keep holding on.
Is it Jamie?
You can give it to any.
This is to Jamie. Where's Briella? Thank you. Where's Briella?
This one is from teacher. And this one, the green one is from Zachary.
Zach. video? Yeah, this is Cassie. This is Macy. Why are you recording? This is Jamie and Diala. What? This is me. Brother. This is Ashley.
Eastern Academy has 2 official colors. Wala pa po. Sabi mo when I say the word go, wala pa. Again, Eastern Academy has 2 official colors. What? Move back. Go! Okay. Wait.
Oh, parang sanay na sanay magdikit tayo ah. Oh. Okay, next song kuya, talaksan natin yung tugtog para buhay na buhay. Yeah, good job. Dance. Wow, sweet. Parang nilalang daw ang Kuya Monica. Dance. Whoops. Woo. Okay, let's count 5 seconds. Dapat po, nasa loob tayo ng paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Hey, let's enjoy this moment. Thank you so much sa napaka-supportive natin mga parents ng Eastern Academy. Oops! Ay, sino kaya? Teacher Mali, sino kaya? Si Teacher Mali, ito si Teacher Mali. Wala ko na maalan. Try your best. Wow, okay naman po. Nasa loob na. Let's digest na po sila. Oops! po number 1?
Kasi considering yung pagkakabit nila, although isa medyo mahaba. Kasi consider namin yung length talaga. Ang layo talaga.
Team number 1 yung nanalo sa iyo.
Kasi ma'am, yung kanila, umabot pa nag-extend pa up to 40.
Okay.
Kaya no contest na dun.
Okay. Thank you. So, team number 1 wins. Let's give them a round of applause.
Eastern? Pag-aka? Okay, go! Eastern Academy. Ay, sorry. Go!
Eastern.
Oh, sorry, Adrian. Walang klase na guys. Kailangan mag-listen para lang tayong nasa classroom. Okay, next. Ready? Go!
Eastern.
Oh! Sabi ni teacher, nakakasabi lang. Yan, nagtuloy. It's okay. Okay. Now I go.
Eastern Academy. Eastern Academy. Eastern Academy. Eastern Academy.
Oh! Sayang! Okay. Dalawang ulit na po yun, ha? Try muna. And okay. Kasi kanina, pareho talaga silang madali. Okay, next. 1, 2, 3, go!
Eastern Academy. Eastern Academy.
Oh! Sorry!
Eastern Academy. Eastern Academy. Eastern.
Oh! Sorry! Eastern! Dapat ang Eastern sa taas! 2, 3, go! Okay. Thank you po.
What?
I want the gift card.
Wait lang. Wait for your turn.
One sweet line, please. If you're not in the line, you don't get to go. Yeah, okay. Okay, once you get your gifts, you can go back to your table.
Hey! Go to the kitchen. Right? The boring gift. One teacher. This is not. Where's gift number 6?
What number is that?
6.
What do you like? This one. Go.
Black.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, this one. Bye.
Mine.